Okay, question 20. John and Nick share some money in the ratio 5 to 2. John gets £150 more than Nick. So whenever there's a ratio question, you ask yourself, how much is one part worth? That's what you always ask yourself when you've got a ratio question. How much is one part worth? Now, in this case, I'm going to just have a look at this here. So how much is one part worth is your key question. The ratio here is 5 to 2. Now, you're not going to just add them up here. You're not just going to add and divide by how much money you've got. No. John has £150 more than Nick. So how many more parts has John got than Nick? John's got 3 more parts than Nick, right? Because he's got 5 parts to Nick's 2 parts. So he's got 3 parts more. And we know that the 3 parts more is £150. So how much is each part worth? Each part must be 150 divided by 3. These £150 more is 3 parts more. So 150 divided by 3 gives me £50 per part. So if it's £50 per part and they're sharing, and they've got 7 parts altogether, so 7 parts times by 50 gives me £350 that they must have altogether. Guys, this is straightforward knowledge. O is the center of the circle, and I've just got a few things about just basic knowledge of circles. The first question asks me about OA. This here. From the center to the outside is a radius. Most people got that one. MN. Any 2 points on the circumference that are joined together, unless it goes through the middle. If it goes through the middle, it's a diameter. But if it's any 2 other points, it's called a chord. These are just things that you should have learned back in year 7. Right. Right. Line ST is, so this line here, which just touches the outside, just touches the circumference, is called a tangent. So that's the third mark, a tangent. A radius, a chord, and a tangent.